Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Skyler with Western Material Handling. Today we are test driving stock number D21218C. Great operating 2001 Daewoo GC25S-3. 5,000 pound cushion tire forklift. It's equipped with excellent traction cushion tires. Has a 3-stage mast, side shift, and 42-inch pallet forks. It'll go 186 inches of max fork height. Let's see if we can take it all the way. There's that 186. Has a great running LP gas engine, automatic transmission with recent repairs. This unit has recent repairs, new PM service, and a brand new paint job. You can check it out online at abetterforklift.com or stop by any of our stores in Commerce City, Fort Collins, or Torrington, Wyoming. Thank you very much.